Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to add video in Framer. To begin, simply click the Insert button in the top left corner. Then, navigate to the Media section and drag a video component onto your canvas. You have three main options: a native video component for uploaded files or dedicated components for YouTube and Vimeo. For embedded videos, just paste the URL. For local files, choose Upload and select your video. It's a straightforward process to get your video content onto your site. Once your video is on the canvas, you can customize its playback. First, set a poster image. This acts as a thumbnail, improving search engine visibility and providing a preview. You can also choose to show or hide playback controls, giving users the ability to pause, play, or adjust volume. Furthermore, you can refine the video's appearance by adjusting its border radius and sizing. Don't forget the looping option, which allows your video to play repeatedly. For dynamic effects, consider auto-playing videos. Remember, most browsers require auto-playing videos to be muted. For a GIF-like experience, use muted, looped videos with hidden controls. To make videos play only when visible, wrap your video in a component, create paused and playing variants, and apply a scroll variant effect with layer in view as the trigger. For background videos, place them in a frame and adjust their z-index to ensure they sit behind your main content. Optimizing your videos is crucial for site performance. For high-quality or longer videos, embedding from YouTube or Vimeo is recommended, as these platforms handle adaptive quality. If uploading local files, compress them beforehand. Framer does not optimize the video content itself. Always include a poster image for every video. This enables lazy loading and improves SEO. Finally, avoid autoplaying unmuted videos, as this can consume significant bandwidth and slow down your site for visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.